What's up, guys? I've got a lot of stuff going on right now. I can hardly focus on one thing, but yeah, so I'm working on the 3D printer, basically the CNC part of the 3D printer again. I got the 3D printer pen, which I guess I have out in my car right now, so I'll show that on a different video, but I was just excited because I got my DVD read-write drives today, and here they are. And I ordered 5, but they sent me 7, so I don't know. But I opened one of them up already over here, so I can keep it separated from all my other junk I've got going on right here. This is the garage door opener that was broken, so oh, there we go. Yeah, I was just taking off some components from that so I can try and just power the motor directly, just for fun. But now that I have my drives, I'll probably focus a little more time on this. So I was really excited because I broke, let's see, 2 of these stepper motors were the same on my laptop CD drive things. I'm having a hard time pointing this camera. Still on my iPad. And yeah, I accidentally pulled out the pins on 2 of these stepper motors. So 2 of those are bad. So that is kind of toast. The bottom one right here works still. But yeah, so now I'm just excited to have these because look at the difference between this stepper motor from the laptop and that one down there. And that one's a little bit further back, so you can't even quite tell the difference in size because this is still closer to the camera. But it looks a lot more heavy duty. And also these rails right here are straight with the case, which I'm really excited about. Because these other ones, you can tell this one was in the case diagonally. I guess you can see on this one too, the bottom one, that's totally diagonal. But with these, you can actually use screws to make a perfect 90-degree setup. So I'm just excited about that. And I'll keep updating as I work on my new CNC machine with these things. I made it a little bit prettier right here with the wires on a breadboard. So those are my stepper motor controllers, and then here's my Arduino. Yeah, but that's it for now. So thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe so you can see you can follow my progress on the 3D printer or on the real estate stuff that I talk about. But thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.